Welcome back, students. This is the session 3 from the playlist of Assertion and Reasoning. The chapter is Electric Charges and Fields, and the question for this session is written on the board. So here in this question, the assertion is the electric lines of force, or you can say the electric field lines, they cross each other. This is the assertion, and the reasoning is the resultant electric field at a point is the superimposition of the electric fields at that point. So there are 5 options given here with regards to this question. So the option A is when both the assertion and the reasoning are correct, and the reasoning is the correct explanation for the assertion. The option B is when both the assertion and the reasoning are correct, but the reasoning is not the correct explanation for the assertion. C is when the assertion is correct and the reasoning is false. D is when the assertion is false and reasoning is correct. And the last option is E, and this is when both the assertion and the reasoning are false. So let us first of all discuss about this assertion. So here it is written that the electric lines of force or the electric field lines, they cross each other. So this is completely wrong. The electric field lines at a point, they never cross each other, because if they will cross each other at a particular point, then they will have 2 directions, which is not at all possible. So this assertion is completely wrong. Now let us come to the second point, that is the reasoning. In the reasoning, it is written that the resultant electric field at a point is a superimposition of the electric fields at that point. The meaning of the word superimposition of the electric field at a point means that it is this statement basically saying that the resultant electric field at a point is the vector sum of all the electric field due to the individual charges which are surrounding that particular point. So the superimposition of the electric field is basically the vector sum of the electric fields due to the individual charges which are surrounding that particular point. So this reasoning is correct, the assertion is wrong, and so here our correct option will be D. Here assertion is wrong and the reasoning is correct. So I hope you have understood the explanation of this question, and in the next session I will be coming up with a totally different type of a question, but the chapter will remain the same, that is electric charges and fields. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.